I don't know what I would be without y'all. Wanting that race so I can see the stars. Y'all can't act like I don't know who we are. Never bringing bottle like he on a bar. Looking at you with me now.
What the fuck going on? We gotta be lit, we gotta be quiet. We in the doctor's office right now. NSU shit. Day one vlog. Day in the life of NSU, bro. Tap in. We in this bitch, nigga. I'm gonna get some Adderall. Rockstar shit. I ain't trying to get to that, man. Let's get to this, man. I really want to get to this, like, oh, man. Little couple, this little slight change for the day, you know what I'm saying? Hey, you gotta hit the dance when you do that.
Do this shit for the low, I need knots. Stay solid, never say shit to the cops. But my bitch, she called January. I'm fucking her rap missionary. I stay posted up like I'm Perry. And BB the black boy is scary. Baby, give me hair like she Jill Sky. Bitches.
Hey, we about to go to the block, nigga. You already know we about to go to the block, tell y'all where the guys be kicking it and hanging out and shit. Niggas know what it is. We in Westwood.
In this next little wave, for real. Shoot to the A.
Shoot to the A, little niggas.
I don't know what I would be without y'all. Wanting that race so I can see the stars. Y'all can't act like I don't know who we are. Not bringing bottle like he on a bar. You cannot you with me, not at the bar. And in battles where you can see scars. And I bought a couple bands out, that's a slight flex. And I watched the OG go bit up with the pirates. Bitches know my niggas, they solid, they rock. AA just told me he bust a few shots. Ain't do this shit for the low, I need now. They solid, never say shit to the guy. But my bitch, she called January. I'm fucking her rap missionary. I stay in the cut like I'm Perry. And BB the black boy is scary. Bitches know my niggas, they solid, they rock. AA just told me he bust a few shots. Can't do this shit for the low, I need knots. Stay solid, never say shit to the guy. But my bitch, she called January. I'm fucking her rap missionary. I stay posted up like I'm Perry.
Hey, 12 ass up here, bro. We gotta be cool. Everything on my face is no move. Cause they gonna be like, NSU folk, boy, you on bullshit. We ain't fucking with you today.
Hey, niggas be so clowns. They say that they game, but don't come around. Hey, that's that shit, we make gun sounds. Free my OG out the dog pound. I'm the bitch, yes, in my town.
It's my town, bro. This shit.
I know a couple niggas opt out, but I got niggas that pop out. Riding that bitch with the top down. They fucking with me cause I'm hot now. Hey, I would be without y'all. Wanting that race so I can see the stars.
I love my city, I love my city, bro, but it's like, man, it's more to this shit. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's more than life to this shit. Like, everybody just get caught up in being the best in the city. Like, bro, I ain't dropped in months, bro. My shit still booming. Like, I'm linked up in the right places. So, 2020, we definitely gonna be a household name. 2019, we gonna be getting on, bro. Watch what I tell you. Storm Chaser Vlog Volume 1, baby.
Cause my wrist, watch, they only want the money, baby, kid rocks. Stay down so I can see 10 knots. No switching, I go by the code. I'm bragging, I'm doing these shows now. Stacking cause I was just broke. I'm rapping, I'm bringing the lows, wow. I buy it, then dump it on Gilly. I wear like a weed, that shit sold out. Niggas that talk like they got it, but really ain't got it, it's so
Dang, shit, I'm about to see if the guys in here. I'm gonna knock. Is Cuddy and AA here? You get on them songs. It's Auntie.
Did you take around the mom's?
Yeah, I went over there. Yeah, I didn't knock on the door though. Can I get that number? No.
Phone up. Let me see my phone.
This is no cap, I just see my first rollie and that bitch was buzzed down. Niggas be so clowns, they say that they game but don't come around. Haters talk shit, we make gun sounds. Free my OG out the dog pound. I'm the bitch, yes, in my town. Blowing sticky.
Apparently the guys ain't here yet.
Isaiah, how many girls
I'll be here later.
got?
Shit, what the guy, you know what Cuddy and AA is?
You know, nah, I ain't talked to them niggas. You was at on the block.
Hell yeah, I don't know where they at though.
Oh, neither.
Me and my nigga Zay vlogging right now.
For real?
Hell yeah, Storm Chaser Vlog Volume 1. What you want? You trying to smoke some? This on the vlog right here and shit. Talk your shit.
Oh, that's on the vlog.
Yeah, this is.
Gang shit, nigga. What's happening? This big Gucci in this bitch.
Nigga, you know what it is. Nigga, gang shit. Hey, you called Bands? This is birthday and shit.
You said what now?
You called Bands? This is birthday and shit.
Hell yeah, how you talking to my nigga this morning?
Hell yeah, shout out that nigga Bands. Nigga, happy birthday, nigga. Gay ass.
You see me, man. Bring you to you see me.
Right, I'm about, hey, we fuck around, pull up on this nigga A1. Call me, burp you. Damn me.
Alright, I'm gonna call y'all niggas right back on the game.
Alright, bet.
Alright.
Whoever thought Taiwan and rap, like, not only rap, but like, shit, my first video that I put out, one of my first videos that I put out, they had 50,000 views, and shout out to Hen, shout out to Bands, you feel me? But my first video I did, one of them went big. Like, we gotta go bigger than big, though, you feel what I'm saying? I feel like that shit was just for the city, though. Cause, I ain't gonna lie, if I show y'all right now my little iTunes and Apple Music shit, my shit, like, I almost got 100,000 streams on Apple Music, man. I'm blessed, bro. I'm just ready to keep getting blessed, man. You know, you gotta stay down till you come up, man. Smoke a little weed on the way. What's going on right now?
Bitch, I be dripping them sauce
Shout out to that nigga So Icy Jordan, man. And that nigga Bug, man.
I told that bitch she can call up. I'm in the pen, you can lay up. I ride the rig with the mason. It's the rest cause these bitches they chase up. Them boys coming in and they mess up. Smoking runs out the hefty like bag up. Got a bitch and she don't like to brag up. Off the line now I got paid the tags up. When I hit it, she ride with her ass up. Like a fillet, they capping it sad, bro. And it's fair fit, it's virgin the bag, bro.
Niggas talking about they got asthma.
We chasing the back, he got the front so I back him up. The way that I'm blessed, you would think was love. We going so crazy, this music so tough. We make it look easy, this shit is for us. Getting so high, man, I'm packing these rocks. Riding this beam and this shit is so wavy. We can fuck, but you can't have my baby. I'm popping these annies, but I'm lazy. You can have fame, I want else, so just straight. She either did looking up like it's tasty. Getting the shit, but some plays on the daily. My niggas shoot this shit up like KD. I'm a young boss, nigga, don't try to punch me. Bitch, I be dripping on some stuff. I told that boy you got boss up. We get you wet, cause none. Man, what they try, awesome. Got a bitch and she don't like the
Shout out A1 in this motherfucker too.
When I hit it, she back roll. Niggas talking about slow, they got hand on them boys, they be masked up. Boy, you not with the shit, so don't act up. In the AM, blue flame in my bag up. Smoking runs, I design on my bag up. Send it out, we gon' slide in a black truck. Better hand me that shit or get blasted up. Hit that bitch from the back, lift her ass up. Boy, you ain't scared shit, you on blast none. In the ring with 230s, they showin' 4 titties. In the photo 4 deep, and we towin' 450. Yo, nigga a hoe and he wanna come get me. Yo, bitch on my dick, yeah, she love to come lick me. I left out the O to a whole nother city. Now I'm at the strippy, they showin' me titties. Bone made on my ass, on my toe, it's Da Vinci. I stack all 100.
Check it out.
I told that boy you got boss up. We get you wet, cause none.
Buzz down, Tatiana. I'm gonna see you buzz down. Telling the tape is done, man. Look, I'm really just waiting. I'm waiting on my big homie, you feel me? We about to work out these contracts, nigga. When we get these motherfuckers contracts busting, nigga, I'ma drop storm chasers for all my storm chasers. Cause you gotta chase the storm if you wanna get to where you want, nigga. Gang, 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 you already know what the fuck going on. We about to go check in with A1, see what he talking about.
What's going on? Yeah, it's Big Gucci. Feel me, we shooting the goddamn vlog, me and NSU, boy. You see the drip. Yeah, check me out, nigga. This shit. You already know. Tune in. Storm Chasers finna drop, and Big Gucci got some shit for y'all on the gas. You already know. Shit, fuck with me though. Follow me. You about to go fuck with Lil Bo. And he playing some of the bangs in the front.
Tell him he in this.
I already know, bro. We gonna open doors for everything.
Hold on, tell us who on the phone. Let us know who on the phone.
Hey, you on a vlog right now? Talk your stuff.
Hey, what it is, you already know I'm rocking with my bros now. My boys, man.
This big bro right here. Feel me? This gang. And that shoot shit.
Big Gucci in this bitch. Storm Chasers finna drop.
Alright, listen though.
That's what's up, bro.
Yeah, we about
That's fire, though. I ain't gonna lie. That's real rapper stuff. Like,
that's what I'm saying. Look, we was on the block all that. Like,
Man, hold on. I
we was
got
on
no
the
clothes.
Me and my nigga will play with them guns. Gotta get fatty, we gotta get funds. You don't get money, little nigga, you done. All of my niggas, I know they gon' come. All of these strippers, I'm throwing these ones. Got a big fat tat and it come with a drum. She y'all on my dick, eat it up like a block. I'm all up in magic, I'm not 21. Bitch, I my dome. I roll up some reefer and smell like a stone. Fuck full of dough with them sticks in the trunk. These bitches ain't know that big Gucci the man. I swear I'm so hard, I got the one to take.
With a little speedo thing, we're looking.
There we go.
Alright?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
This my fam right here. This my pops, my granddad, my uncle right here. I got a microphone. Not yet.
Hey, bro. What's going on? You alright, sir? What's up with it, bro? Good, man. You alright? Yes, sir.
You going down there with him too?
Today? Yeah.
Lakeside, one of the groups out of Vegas.
It should still be like that.
Man, it was so many groups out of Vegas. We had those city festivals. They've been every group.
That's what they're doing in Atlanta.
That's what they doing in Atlanta. They do a lot of stuff like that. Like every time you go out at night, it's always something. It's not like that.
You go to a party at 4 in the morning.
Monday to Sunday. So that's okay. But the bitches love me. Cause I can pull your bitch, I can pull your baby mama, I can fuck your friends, I can fuck anyone. Cause they love me, marijuana, and the commas. Young nigga here, hold on, come outside cause I'm dummy.
Talk about my nigga need 2 cameras.
Shit never been a rookie. Understand I can get the bitch and I took her.
My nigga snapping, y'all tripping.
Don't let niggas like that fuck up their name for dating niggas, but ain't a real dating nigga.
That ain't a real dating nigga.
My nigga snap though, I ain't gonna lie. That nigga funny as hell. He talking about.
My nigga Trey right up in here. What's up? What's going on, man? Yeah, man. We already ain't nothing but going up, man. That's all we got, bro. Going up from here. My nigga. Hey, Drake, man. Say something to the camera, man. Give me the camera shot. Drake, the camera shot.
You don't want to get this motherfucker.
Kill Trump.
You don't want to get on that motherfucker. He talking about zooming in on his ear.
That's what I need.
He said zoom in on his ear.
Look at G-Roll putting out there.
Can't roll the jeans suit.
Let's meet him out there. Gang in this game, man. I got that. You know what the fuck it is, man. My nigga G-Rolls in this motherfucker NSU shit.
At the shop, man. OG.
We getting money around here, man.
Round here. Hey, talk your shit.
Let me talk my shit one time. Let me talk my shit one time. Yeah. Bitch, I'm back to back, I'm doing it, these niggas still hating. And I got my money building, bitch, I'm from the city of Dayton. Most of these pussy niggas be hating, while I'm out here still skating. 20 inches on my whip, bad bitches on my dick. What can I say? I get paid, doing this shit like the NBA. I got paper, I got capers, I can do this shit like any way. I've been trapping since 93, bitch, you know you heard about me. If you ain't, just ask your friend. Talking about fuck that bitch in the end, go.
Hey, my niggas just stepped on their ass on my mama.
Can't get this shit, hold on, you know we stay with something.
They just kept on their ass.
For little shit. Smoking shit.
Hey, pulling up with these bunnies. Hold on, Snow, you know I got it. Hold on, me and my niggas pull capers. Me and my niggas don't got no case. Cause you hit your ass with a laser, leaving your ass in the safe, leaving your ass keep shaking. That's how it is when I'm breaking. All this money I'm making, bad bitches out here for the taking. Doing this shit, no leaving nothing for nothing.
Hey, let them know who you is, bro.
Man, Will, what's good, man? Y'all know what it is, man. Out here with my youngsters, man. It ain't about me, it's about them, bro. This the city, bro. City of DYT, man. These are my boys. Let them do their thing, bro. Show them that love.
Yeah.
I might have to come see you.
Oh.
I've been there, pub.
Go ahead, hit it.
You wanna fuck? I said, what?
Go ahead. Go ahead, get in. Come on, nigga, get in. Come on, get in.
Cup don't show no love, hey, fucker don't show no love. Me and my niggas is all up blue flame, bitch, we throwing them dubs, hey, got a pocket full of them hundreds, hey, all of these bitches they coming, hey, nigga be stupid, they dumb as they, broke nigga ain't getting money,
Hey, Uncle Trey.
Fuck nigga.
Alright, let me jump back in, I guess. He said, fuck a bitch like I don't love her. Fuck the bitch like I don't know her. Hey, took the bitch I ain't covered. Hey, took the bitch not fucked her. Quick, doing the shit I got M's. Me and my niggas too sick. Told you nigga can't slip on that purple shit. I'm sick. Damn, this how we do. Move to the city with tools. Come to your city. Shut down that shit like we blue. Ain't get that dick out. Y'all ain't catch that shit. I ain't catch that shit I said. Ain't catch what I said on that shit. Like we blue, nigga. That's the police. Shut your shit down like we the police. You ain't catch that shit. Explain shit. Just under explain. I was like, it just be fun to me, bro. It's just fun to me. I know that is. What's that?
You said you about to?
Nah, I said you good.
That's that real rapper weed.
I know. I was talking about that. The song.
Hey, it's on site when I see that.
It's the same shit.
Bitches on site. Hey, you see me, little bitch, I be flying like a kite. She throwing it back like that bitch throw a hike. Okay. All of my niggas be ballin'. Hey, fucking that bitch, I can't call her. Hey, I spend on racks at the mall. Hey, hold up. Hey, pockets a little, but now my shit tall. Hey,
In that shit with a clan. Talking that shit, that get you hit for the motherfucking bands.
Bitch.
In that shit with a clan.
Bitch.
Walk around with them bands.
Bitch.
I'll take a nigga's head off if you talking about them bands.
Damn, I'll take a nigga head off if he dissing on my clan. Ayy, I'll pull over a little AA. He gon' shoot up all your mans. Ayy, all my niggas be fishy, bitch. Mike Amiri on my pants. Ayy, niggas hating, I don't give a fuck. Pull up with that fucking blammer. Ayy, shoot his mama, shoot his cousin up. All my niggas got them fucking dubs with us. You be hating, I don't give a motherfucker. All my niggas with it, she gon' suck me up. Blicky on me, I'ma shoot his ass. All my niggas, we gon' do his ass.
And that nigga gon' do his ass. Never gave fuck about who his ass. And I just hook up with the bitch. And she just let me just do her ass.
So stupid. Alright, I could probably do something like we pull up like the clown. God damn, them niggas be bam. Hey, coming in, I tell you Sam. Hey, kill him like Son and Sam. This how it is. Nigga gon' win. Still drop a gym. Dope as a wrist. Hey, whipping this shit like Luke Kane. I ain't finishing shit. Hey, I can take your bitch, take a friend and a baby mom. Do the shit all day. They calling me cause they want some. No gas, bitch, this dick. That's how they get it. I told you I'm slick. Told you I'm whip. I'm real quick with the wrist. Whipping this shit like this. Hey, back in my city, I be pulling up Bentleys. Me and my niggas be shooting up shit. You don't really wanna get hit like the clan. Understand, bitch, we really the man. This how it is when you got a plan. This how it is when they don't understand. Ripping and rapping this shit they don't know. This how it is when you got all that blow. Go. Let me go. Let me go, man. Y'all know it, man. Respect. Y'all know what it is, man.
We're gonna be. Oh, you got your phone with me, bro.
Oh shit, yeah.
Hey, talk your shit last time, man.
Yeah.
Put the camera for the vlog real quick.
You say?
I said, talk your shit one time.
I mean, shit, man. We just out here doing what we do, man. You know what I'm saying? It's the motherfucking city, DYT, Gym City, nigga. Where it really come from. Fuck Atlanta. Fuck Cali, nigga. We the real music makers. Come to the city and get some, or get a bag, whichever one you need. Alright, y'all. Alright, man.
I'm not your grandparents, man. We gotta do grandma sheet. Right, it's okay though. They gonna be happy to see us. Hello. Isaiah, Taiwan. We wanted to come see our grandparents today.
We don't never see y'all no more.
Man, we always be here. Look, we shooting.
18 and you don't pay your grandparents no attention no more. Look. Y'all act like we don't exist.
Can you turn me up a little bit? I just been in tape mode for real. Going up to drugs right now.
Oh yeah. I was just deep inside that water, felt like I was drowning. You used to love me when I'm down, now I'm up, you be frowning. Shout out NSU, that's 15, no niggas keep me grounded. We bout to get it though, rhyme with deep, I'm just letting you know. Yeah, she gon' fall for sure, riding out there like a rodeo. We want the gear, bitches on Saturday taking they sodium. They so generic, niggas be mad when they seeing us hit the road. Got a bag, I'ma flex, don't be mad, I got checks. I was just deep inside that water, thought I lost it. You wasn't supporting my shit, so
I don't want y'all to spend the night now.
Let me see.
Cancer.
Just stuff. That's fetish?
Why they
spraying that?
I know you just turned it up.
Kills weeds good.
They spraying cancer on the trees. He just told me. Hey, shout y'all out. Who y'all? We on the vlog. Get a shout out.
Ohio Greenworks.
Million.
What's up?
Hey, Chris, don't take me like this.
Like you a hard-working man.
Hello.
What's up?
I'm gonna call you. I'm gonna call you later.
See so you really think Portland gonna be boys?
I don't think so.
Okay.
You said it's for what, Grandma?
A down payment for when y'all get rich. Y'all can pay me back 30. I'm giving y'all $30, and then I want you guys to buy me a house, me and Granddad, and buy us a nice car, and take care of us for the rest of our life.
What's today's date? Get today's date.
Today's date is what? May what?
16th.
May the 16th. 2019. And my grandsons are gonna take care of me because I'm giving them $30.
There we go.
Bitch, I all that talking, I took that loss, but you know I got the bands on me. And I thought that fishing is true, had a lit talk shit, then we blame on you. Hey, when was the word, when we looking kinda way, somebody gon' chance on us. When they take that shot, that bitch gon' drop in the shoe, got the fans on us. And they fuck with the fish, and my bitch is shit. Can't fuck with my clique, and yes, I flip zips. And this shoe got it lit, I walk with a limp. Big B got a stick, man, get one. I'm feeling real good, man, I got me some bag rolls, number one. And they
Go to play What's the Odds on that vlog.
Hey, nigga, know what it is, nigga. What are the odds at Walmart or Kroger? What you want? Nigga, fuck is wrong with you? We gotta go get nut. I was about to say, that's what I'm saying.
Hey, in a second, yeah.
Oh, man. So big head ass. Big ass tires on that motherfucker. We gotta get this going. So that's our friend.
That's our friend.
Y'all wanna be on our YouTube video? Shout yourself out. Go ahead.
Water.
He's drinking water with his feet. Alright, listen. What's the odds of my nigga begging somebody to buy his speedy freeze for a Remo for 89 cents?
He got said 1 out of 3, nigga. 3, 2, 1.
2. Oh, he almost had to beg. You ain't never lost no soldiers. You ain't never had your heart broken.
I don't know. I'm about to dump this back in here. This look to spill 2 fire, bro.
Oh yeah, that fat daddy.
This nigga knocking this whole bitch over. Knocking over like a trick, like a trick.
What's the odds of me?
Yeah.
No, I got on this. Bitches. I don't know, bro.
You know the real
grow
hurt.
and change.
You know the real. I'm tripping right now.
I was about to say, bro, where you going?
Alright, appreciate it.
Talking about the chain.
Diamond dancing, Michael Jackson.
I go 4. I got 4 for you.
Thank you.
We can go all night shining. Yeah, you already know. Me and Lil Bo about to go back to the A soon. More music coming soon. Futures.
He better not piss on my car.
That pissy motherfucker. That pissy motherfucker.
Bills.
Look at this motherfucker.
Gil, following Gil, right up Gil.
What's the odds of?
What the odds do you
Sitting on there taking a picture.
1,
Count down.
3, 2, 1.
Hey, I wanted to do it.
I'm fucking mad. Fuck this shit. I'm trying to beat ass. What if you would've came out on that? We would've had to beat his ass.
They told me. Look at this shit. Look at my nigga Snow.
It was an accident.
He put all this goddamn salt on here.
He off them. It was
off the yerties.
It was an accident.
Why you do that, bro? Eat one.
Damn, I did put
Man, you got them ashy old hands, nigga.
Damn.
They ain't even that.
Come on,
ashy.
eat that.
My shit probably the same way.
You know that
Is my shit the same way?
Boy. What's the odds? What's the odds? Take a handful.
I ain't doing that.
Come on, bro.
What is wrong with
For
you?
the vlog. For the vlog.
Yeah, for the vlog. Let's get diabetes. For the vlog.
You about to get it anyway.
And you not gonna get diabetes, high blood.
You about to get gout.
I'm shaking the salt off him.
But what the fuck is
Nigga, what was that?
We're co-ed. Get
I heard
co
that
on the
shit
vlog.
Get it.
We're co-ed.
Bro, what was that?
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
We're big
I
co.
heard it twice though.
Look at that kind of fuck with big co.
Yeah.
Look at it. Big Co. Come here, Co. Say what's up. Come here. Come here. Come here. Say what's up, man. There you go. I don't see it. Look at Big Co, man. It's Rocco, bro. That's NSU dog.
NSU dog.
Talk your shit. Talk your shit. Say something. You won't hear. She said it's Lil Gucci in the building.
She said, "Rock boys in the building."
This nigga Rocco.
You supposed to talk that shit.
You don't want this, I'm telling you.
Vlogging right now.
What the fuck, bro?
I don't care.
Hello? Hold on. Alright, hello?
Bitchin' on my niggas, they solid, they rock. AA just told me he bust a few shots. Can't do this shit for the low, I need not. Stay solid, never say shit to the cop. But my bitch, she coaching you Rary. I'm fucking her rap missionary. I stay in the cut like I'm Perry. And BB the black boy is scary. Bitches on my niggas, they solid, they rocks.